Hello internet world, welcome to my first look at the HOBOT S7 Pro. This is a window cleaning robot. Think of it like a robot vacuum but for your windows. It was very kindly sent in free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply giving you this overview video so that you can make an informed buying decision. Now for me, one of the tasks that I find both very cumbersome, also difficult as well, is window cleaning. It's something I don't like to do very often, and anything that could help with such a task surely is worth taking a look at. And as I mentioned earlier, this is the HOBOT S7 Pro. It's got dual mop polishing, 600 times per minute, so it moves the sort of the polishing cloths underneath 600 times per minute. It's also got an ultrasonic spray. It's also got edge leakage bump sensors as well, which is really cool. And it's absolutely packed full of features. If we take a look round on the side here, you can see some of the features. High reliability design, exclusive patent. We've also got on the side here edge leakage. This is the bump sensors. We've also got silicone covered bumpers and roller assisted turning. And then on the back here, we've got a picture of the underside of the product. Smartphone controlled, so there is an app available which is going to allow you to control the S7 Pro. Let's take a look at the actual box contents. So before we take a look at the S7 Pro itself, which is very, very impressive piece of kit, let's take a look at what else you get inside the box. So we do get some microfiber cleaning cloths. Now there's two sets inside this pack. There is already a set pre-installed on the S7 Pro, so we get two additional sets. That's really good. You can pop these in the washing machine though, so when you've cleaned some windows, I would suggest sort of washing them in a bucket first to get rid of all the real dirty grime, and then obviously swapping them out for a new pad, and then once you've washed out the dirt, then pop them in the washing machine. That's what I'd probably do. And then we've also got some information here. So we've got a quick start guide. So this is going to give you just a real sort of easy 1, 2, 3 of getting everything set up and running. It also mentions about tethering the S7 Pro as well, and I'll talk to you about that in a short while. We've also got a full user manual as well, and then these additional accessories. So we've got window detergent, which you're going to put into the S7 Pro. Now it's always recommended to use the HOBOT window detergent in the S7 Pro. I can't comment on whether you can use others. I would probably think you could, but it's suggested that you use the official one there. We also get a remote control. It's going to give you full control over the robot cleaner. We've also got some power supplies. So this one here is a multi-voltage power supply. This barrel type connector goes into the S7 Pro itself, and then we've got a figure 8 connector on this end, and then we've got a 3-pin UK power cable. So if you're buying this in another country, you'll get this power adapter, but you might get a different power cable inside the box. Then we have got what looks like to be an extension lead. Now as far as I can work out, this does recharge, so it has got an internal battery, but you could use it tethered as well. So I'm not sure whether you have to use it tethered, but that cable is there to extend the length of the power going to the unit. And then we've got this little additional piece. I'm not sure what this is. It's obviously a spare part. Might be the spray, I'm not sure, but we have got an additional spare part inside the box as well. So now let's have a look at the actual S7 Pro. Here we go. It looks very impressive. I'm really impressed with the overall design of this. Really nice looking unit to start off with, and we've got a cord here. This is what you're going to use to tether this to something, and the reason you do this is it's got very high suction power to keep it attached to the window that it's cleaning. But if it does become dislodged and fall off the window, you don't want to go losing it, especially if you're working at height. So this is both a safety measure and also to stop you losing or damaging the S7 Pro. So you tether this so that if it does fall off the window, it's not going to hurt anyone, and you're not going to sort of damage the the cleaner itself. Really nice design though. We've got this sort of handle at the top to make it easy to pick up. We've got a play pause button here, which is sort of stop start. We've got the two detergent holders here. So we've got little rubber grommets here. We're going to fill these up with detergent. And then we've got these sprays. So that explains what this spare part is. So this is a spare spray. So these are ultrasonic sprays. So this is going to spray with quite some force onto the window. It's going to spray that detergent and obviously aid with the cleaning of the windows. We've got the main power on off button just here. We've got that connector there for powering the device. We've got a little speaker here. It's quite a loud speaker. I've checked this out. It's a very loud speaker. You're going to turn this on, connect it to the app, and then you're going to set it up to actually clean your windows. And if we have a look at the underside, this is really impressive. So these cleaning pads are attached with Velcro, so they're really easy to remove. And this is what moves. So this is what vibrates. So that's 600 times a minute, I think it was. We've also got these rubber sort of track wheels here, and this is going to help with obviously moving the robot around the windows, and it will also turn if it needs to turn. And it uses very, very high suction to keep this adhered to the window whilst it's cleaning. We've got quite a lot of vibration going on in here, so that suction does have to be powerful. And it will plan out a route to clean your windows. And when it's finished, obviously, the manual part of this is you have to go out, take this off of the window, and then obviously clean the pads. Sort of minimal maintenance on the cleaning of the pads here. And it does a fantastic job. And this is great, not only for automating general window cleaning, but obviously if you're maybe living in an apartment and you can't physically get out to clean your windows, you haven't got a ladder that's high enough, then being able to sort of reach out, pop this onto your window and having it clean it, really, really good. If you are using it at height, you must tether it, must make sure this is tethered. For regular window cleaning, for example, normal windows, patio doors, French doors, for example, then again, a really good time saver, because you can leave this cleaning your window whilst you get on with another task, and then all you've got to do is when it's finished one section, you just take it off, put it onto the next section to clean. The one thing that it wouldn't clean very well, in my opinion, is if you've got really small windows, of course, it wouldn't clean. But if you've got windows that are separated by lots of frames, maybe sort of you've got this sort of lattice work of different frames splitting up smaller panes of glass, then it would be very cumbersome to keep taking this off. But for larger sort of patio doors and larger windows, this is absolutely fantastic. I think they've done a fantastic job on the design. The features are superb. If you want something to automate your window cleaning, this is well worth checking out. This is the HOBOT S7 Pro, and I really am impressed. If you want to buy one for yourself, check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another one very, very soon.